Hello students, today we are going to start new lesson is lesson number 7, Introduction to Presentation Graphics. In that we are going to see what is presentation graphics. People have different thoughts and ideas. Presentation graphics is a method of conveying these thoughts or ideas to others. It is a systematic way of presenting information. It makes the information very interesting and useful. Presentation graphics can help in many ways. It can help students to learn faster. The slides prepared by using presentation graphics software are more legible and reliable than students' notes on the main points. Presentation software can help teachers to present an idea in a qualitatively different way. Thought the use of photographs, videos, diagrams or animations. There are many presentations packages available in the market and the most popular among them is Microsoft PowerPoint. With MS PowerPoint, we can create our own presentation. Now, we are going to see creating, saving and opening PowerPoint. First, we are going to see how to start presentation.
After starting MS PowerPoint, click on the Click to add title slide pane and type in the title of your presentation. And now select Home tab to write the text. Here this is the font box, means you can format the text through this in the font dialog box. You can close it and in that ribbon different tabs are there. Through these tabs you can open anything.
Now, components of presentation window. First, File menu, Quick Access toolbar, ribbon. Okay.
File button. It is located at the top leftmost corner of the screen. It is used to create, open, save and print a presentation besides doing some other important task. Title bar. It is located at the top of the screen. It displays the name of the application. Customize Quick Access toolbar. It is located beside the title bar towards the left corner of the screen. It contains a set of frequently used commands such as saving a document, undo and redo. Ribbon. It is located below the title bar. It contains the various commands buttons which are organized in logical groups. Slide pane. It is used to create, edit, and delete the contents of the slide. Outline pane. It displays the contents of all slides as outline. Notes pane. It is used to enter the notes related to the slide being designed. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of the screen. It displays important and varied information about the currently open presentation like number of slides.
File button. File button located corner of the title bar. In that many options are there like new, open, save as, print, close, exit. Let's see.
This is file menu. In that many options are there. Information, new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, account, options.
Ribbon. Ribbon is an organized structure of various command buttons used in MS Office programs. These command buttons are organized into logical groups and groups are collected together under different tabs. Various tabs are there that we are going to see. Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review and View.
Home tab contains command button for copying, moving text, creating slide, formatting text and paragraphs. These buttons are organized in 6 groups: clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing and editing. Insert tab. Using command buttons of this tab, you can insert tables, pictures, movies, sound, shapes, clip arts, decorative text, header, footer, symbols, etc. These buttons are organized in 7 groups: tables, images, illustrations, links, text, symbols and media. Design tab. You can set the page layout of your document such as page size, margins and orientations and change themes and background of slides using the Design tab. Transitions tab. You can apply the transitions to the slides of your presentation using the Transition tab. This tab contains various command buttons which are organized in 3 groups: preview, transition to the slide and timing. Animations tab. You can create animations and special effects using various commands buttons of this tab, which are organized in 4 groups: preview, animation, advanced animation and timing. Slideshow tab. The slides of the presentation can be set up and viewed using various buttons of this tab. Review tab. You can check the text of slides for any spelling and grammatical mistakes and type your comments using the various buttons of this review tab. View tab. It contains command buttons for viewing the slides in different layouts and zoom levels.
Now, how to create presentation. Some various steps are there to create blank presentation. Now, how to save presentation. Various steps are there that we are going to see.
If we want to create new presentation in MS PowerPoint, you can quickly and easily create a presentation. Now you can select the text to give different styles. From the styles group, each line you can give different styles. Many styles are there. You can give any styles which you want. Then you can save that in any name and you can save it. And
now, closing a presentation. Various steps are there to close presentation. Let's see.
when you close your presentation, one box will appear there, save, don't save and cancel, like that option will be there. If you want to save, you can save, otherwise you can don't save. Your presentation will close. You can close in file button, close option is there.
Now, how to open presentation. Means before we have saved that presentation, how to open, we are going to see.
First, click on the file button and select the open option. The open dialog box appears on the screen. Select the drive as well as the folder where your required document is saved in from the left pane. Select the kind of the file that you want to open from all PowerPoint presentations box. Finally, click the file name in the file list and click the open button or double click the file name to open up the file.
Now, we are going to see different slides views. We can view the slides of our presentation in many forms as per our convenience. Various views are there. Normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view, slide master view, handout master view, notes master view. These all the views we are going to see.
In normal view, the complete page of the presentation called a slide is displayed. Normal view consists of 3 panes. The left pane displays either thumbnail, images of your slides or a slideshow outline, depending on which tab is selected, slides or outline. In slide sorter view, all the slides are displayed on the screen at the same time in a miniature form. The slide sorter view can be selected by clicking on the slide sorter button of presentation view group of a view tab. Notes page view. This view displays the slide as well as the speaker's notes page. It can be selected by clicking on the Notes page button of Presentation View tab. Reading view. In this view, you can view the presentation as a slide show that fits within the window. This view can be selected by clicking on the Reading view button of Presentation Views group. Slide Master View. This view is used to change the design and layout of master slides. A master slide is the slide whose design and contents are applicable to all the slides. Handout Master View. This view is used to change the design and layout of printed handouts. It can be selected by clicking on the Handout Master button of Master Views Group of View tab. Notes Master View. This view is used to change the design and layout of Notes page. It can be selected by clicking on the Notes Master button on Master Views group.
Today we have seen many things. First, what is the PowerPoint presentation? Then, how to start PowerPoint presentation and components of PowerPoint presentation and how to create, save, open, close and exit and different types of views. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.